Climb inside the 2011 Ford Flex. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and power front seats. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.